Okay, we've got a story here. I know it's a complicated looking graph with all these dots and these big numbers and all this text, but here's a case where practice really does pay off. Because if you know the SAT, you can sense the difficulty of this question. Difficulty. Almost spelled it wrong. Good thing it's not the spelling section. So the first thing we should know is that there are 30 multiple choice questions in the calculator section. And so if we're on number 5, we know this is supposed to be easy just because it's early on in the section, and the questions are generally in the order of difficulty. So the first few are going to be really easy. If something seems hard, it's probably just us overthinking it, right? So that can help you when something like this pops up and you're like, oh God, I don't want to read this story. It's probably straightforward. The other thing that helps me sense that this is supposed to be an easy question is it's just about a graph. And I call these questions, I categorize them as free points questions because they're free points. You cannot get these wrong. These are just about following instructions and just like doing what you're told, and they're almost always way easier than they seem. So let's just see what they're telling us to do. It's probably not that bad. Of the following, which best approximates the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of the coffee when it's first removed from the heat source? Do I really need to know the story? No, because time since cup was removed from the heat source is on the x-axis, and temperature in Fahrenheit is on the y-axis. So when it was first removed, that's when the time was 0. What's the point? It's up here, between 180 and 200. What's between 180 and 200? 195. That's it. Notice, I don't need to know anything about temperature or coffee or the story or anything to get it. It's literally just look at the right axis at the right point. That's it. Follow those instructions, trust yourself on these, and you won't get panicked when you see all this text. You'll be able to be like, yep, nope, it's supposed to be easy. I'm not going to overthink it, and you'll get those free points, no problem.